started as a tribute to Sri Ganeshi Lal Agarwal, now recognized as a university. So we are here at GLA University, a university known for building the overall personality of the students, and we are further going to speak to Mr. Anup Kumar Gupta, who is the Pro-Chancellor of the university. Let's get to know his point of view, the foundation of such a recognized as well as reputed university, and what makes GLA different from that of others. So firstly, thank you so much for connecting with us. So the 10th convocation ceremony, if you could talk about it, how does it feel?
Oh, it's always the great feeling whenever this convocation happens. This is the time when the students' hard work is recognized in the form of their degree, and we are happy that this is increasing day by day. This time 2,706 students got their degrees, so it's a great moment for us, for the university.
So 10 years. So can you elaborate on the difference that you have noticed personally?
Oh yes, see, since we became the university, the focus from the undergraduate studies went to the research area. So this time we gave 35 PhD degrees, and a lot of research work has been done, and the number of the gold medalists and silver medalists also increased. So when this number increases, it's always a feeling of pride for us.
Okay. So a question that I want to ask personally is सफलता का secret क्या है?
सफलता का कोई दूसरा सीक्रेट नहीं है, एक ही है कठिन परिश्रम, है ना. हार्ड वर्क इज द ओनली की टू सक्सेस, नथिंग एल्स. डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन, एंड यू हैव टू जनरलाइज योरसेल्फ. यू हैव टू बी वन विद दैट. You have to think about the students. It should be student centric. You have to think everything in the education from the point of view of learning outcome, what the students are learning, and they are industry ready. They can understand the problems of the common people. So we focus not on just publishing the research papers, SCI or Scopus papers, but we think that how these researchers are solving the problems of the common man.
So as you've noticed that the placement graph of GLA is commendable. So what do you have to say about that? Also during the time of the pandemic.
This is again, I say that the kind of education we are giving, it is industry oriented education. So we always we have in board of studies the people from industry, so we keep track what industry demands, and that's how we try to incorporate those courses in their syllabus, and I think that's the success of the students to get better placements.
So while I was speaking and interacting to some of the students, the major statement that came out that GLA is helping them find themselves. अपने आप को वो पहचान पा रहे हैं. So what do you have to say about that?
We do not simply when you asked about the placement, that's not the only goal of education. So education has majorly three goals. One is to make them enable to earn their livelihood. The second is that they can play their role in the democracy, responsible role, and third is to find out their latent talents, whichever they have in them, and so to groom them in a complete personality. That's the purpose of education, and we try to fulfill all these three purposes together.
And so your final words and final message to the youth?
Work hard, think about the country, think about your family, your nation, and the world at large, and contribute something positively, so that there is always a peace in the world.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Knowledge and dedication, the key to success. Thank you for speaking to us, sir. Thank you.